Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pancake Pinoy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. For the wet ingredients, grab 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Having your tools ready, like a mixing bowl and a whisk, will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create that delicious batter. Start by combining all your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, and baking powder, in a large mixing bowl. Give them a quick whisk to ensure they are evenly distributed. In a separate bowl, gently whisk together your egg, milk, and the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Once those are well blended, slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring just until everything is combined. Avoid overmixing for fluffy pancakes. It's time to cook our delightful pancakes. Place your non-stick pan over medium-low heat and lightly grease it with a little butter or oil. Once the pan is warm, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on the first side until you see bubbles forming on the surface. Then, flip them gently and cook for another 2 minutes until they are beautifully golden brown. Your delicious Pinoy pancakes are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them warm, straight from the pan. For a classic Filipino touch, drizzle them with condensed milk or a dollop of butter. You can also add your favorite fruit preserves or fresh fruits like mango slices or banana. These pancakes are perfect for breakfast or a delightful snack. Enjoy every bite of your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.